Hello, no more plastic. Today I'm going to show you why you never again have to use disposable plastic cups you get from restaurants and cafes. It's a small step for man, but a great step for humanity. Polu Eco products manufacture bamboo cups that you don't have to throw away just after a single use. This relatively small enterprise has two Australian fathers, Travis and Carl. Before the two guys started their business, they travelled around the globe and with their own eyes witnessed how pollution damages our planet. That's when they decided to devote their lives to the promotion of living without waste. They started the production of bamboo cups to eliminate as many mass-produced single-use plastic cups as possible. And look how it worked! Not only did they create a unique, super niche product, but they also created custom packaging that perfectly reflects the business branding. If your brand prioritizes eliminating waste and caring for the environment, an eco-mailer box can be the best packaging for your product. Not only are they made from 80% recycled cardboard, but their texture also complements the natural feel of many brands. Polu co-founder Carl is experienced in the field of design, and it really shows when you look at the box. It was a great idea to keep the natural brown texture, which on one hand further emphasizes the company's values, and on the other, matches the chalk white graphics. Of course, the water-based ink is eco-friendly as well. As you see, the size of the packaging fits the cup perfectly, and a picture on the side reveals the shape of the cup. The only mystery left to reveal is the look of the cup itself. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's so neat. I love this colour. Polu has a couple of different designs, ranging from classic black to very colourful floral designs. Carl's background as a packaging designer truly shows. The designs we see on these cardboard boxes and on the cups themselves seamlessly blend modern aesthetics and functionality. There's something to match anybody's style. They're made of compacted bamboo fibres, which makes them not only safe for liquid, but also gives the cups the same structural integrity as hardened plastic. They're perfect for day-to-day use as well as for travel. And there's not a bit of plastic. The guys from Polu also support ACES Surf, a charity that supports disabled people in pursuing their dreams of doing water sports. Now this wave symbolism that's echoed throughout the branding makes a lot more sense. All these details build a truly coherent brand. Recyclable cardboard combined with water-based ink clearly communicates that this company deeply cares for the environment. We only have one planet, so it's important we all look after it. See you soon.